Hello my crafty companions. Well, in this video today we're going to talk some more about the products I got from the Nottingham Boys. So here we go. What is it? And here, the bag. It is another bag of Motifs. Oops, that one got stuck. Let's rescue that butterfly. I think that's the one that wants to be talked about first. How lovely is that? So, this bag is all butterflies and they're all gorgeous. So, let's talk about them. So we'll pick out a few just so you can look at them. How about that? We don't really need to say anything, do we? It's like, oh wow, oh wow, on repeat. Here's another one. Can you see that's also got the gold thread in it as well? That one there. Can you see the shine on it? That's because that's embroidered with rayon thread. There's a lovely sheen to it. How about that? Multicoloured. Again, done with the iridescent rayon thread, and that outline in black just emphasises how beautiful the colours are. Here's a smaller one. How about this one? Again, that gorgeous rayon thread outlined in black. Doesn't that look fabulous? Oh, this one's sweet. Look at that, how delicate that is. So again, rayon, shiny rayon thread, but this time outlined in white. How sweet is this? Look at that. Can you see it twinkling? The little sequins twinkling. It's one of those again. And how about this? Multicoloured thread. So that's a nice selection that I've shown you. There's plenty more. There's no more designs, so those were all the designs I showed you. And there's plenty more colours available. So let's pick out a few of these, like that for instance. So we looked at the silver one earlier, and this is the gold one. There we go. That's another colourway. That's variations of blue, again with that lovely gold thread in it. And these iridescent ones, there's another colourway. These ones with the sequins, aren't they pretty? There's another colourway of that one. You bored yet? I'm not. How could we possibly tire of looking at all these beautiful things? The multicoloured one. And they look fabulous on a denim jacket or a nice cotton bag. Even as a creative way to cover a hole in something. Wouldn't that look nice? Look at them. I'm just totally enchanted by them. It's the sort of thing I never tire of. Right. So let me show you a favourite. There we are. Personal favourite. It's got purple in it, turquoise in it, that lovely golden yellow. So my favourite colours, all in that one little patch. So there we go. Wasn't that a nice start to my day, at least? So it'll be, if you watch this in the morning, it'll be a good start to your day too. But anyway, whatever you're choosing to do today, I hope you have a lovely crafty day. The weather's quite nice at Lowestoft. It's nice and dry, and the sun is trying to get through the clouds. So, all right then. Bye-bye from Marina at the Haberdashery.